In this video, we will learn about sources of electricity. The various sources of electricity are cells, batteries, main supplies, generators. So the first ever source of continuous flow of electricity has been an electric cell. It is an arrangement in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Means there might be some chemical reactions are going on inside the cell which are helping to produce the current or the electrical energy. Due to this reason, an electric cell is also known as electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell or electric cells are actually of two types: primary cells. A primary cell is that which once used cannot be reused, means we can't reuse this after its discharging or its battery will be out. Examples: Daniel cell, dry cell, and Leclanc cell are examples of primary cell. Secondary cell is basically which can be used and again by recharging them. So it is something which is rechargeable, and primary cell is something which can't be recharged. Cells used in mobile phones, inverters, cars are examples of simply secondary cells because we can simply recharge them. Cells are widely used in torches, alarm bells, wall clocks, remotes of TV, AC, and many other electrical and electronic devices. Many commonly used cell is the most commonly used cell is basically the dry cell. Let us study its construction. A dry cell is simply consists of a carbon rod inserted into a black colored powder. The powder is a mixture of manganese dioxide and carbon. The powder is taken in a small muslin bag. The muslin bag is placed inside a zinc container. The space around the muslin bag is filled with moist paste of ammonium chloride and gelatin. Okay, this zinc container is placed inside a leak-proof cardboard and the top is sealed with pitch. The zinc container acts as the negative terminal of the cell and the carbon rod acts as the positive terminal of the cell. Usually, a brass cap is provided on the carbon rod. So here is the construction of a dry cell. Here we are able to see a brass cap. This is our zinc container, this is our pitch seal, and here the powdered carbon plus manganese dioxide and a carbon rod inside. Also the ammonium chloride paste, and here are two terminals. One is negative and the other is positive terminal of this dry cell. Now battery. Battery is simply a combination of two or more cells is simply a battery. You must be familiar with your car battery or inverter battery or even mobile battery. To form a battery, the negative terminal of cell 1 is kept in contact with the positive terminal of the cell, and the negative terminal of cell 2 is kept in contact with the positive terminal of the cell 3, and so on, as in the figure, which is this. So here, suppose this is the figure, basically my battery 1, this is battery 2, this is battery 3. Here we are able to see these two are opposite terminals, that is negative and positive terminals are interconnected. Then again negative and positive terminals are interconnected with each other in order to form a battery. The appliance with which battery is to be used is connected between the positive terminals of first cell and negative terminal of last cell. This arrangement of grouping of cells so as to form is simply called as series grouping of cells. Means back to back grouping or back to back cells are actually called as grouping of cells. Here are again example. It is a car battery, it is a mobile battery. Third is solar cell. It is a special type of cell which directly converts the light and heat energy received from the sun into electricity. As power of single solar cell is smaller, generally a solar panel is designed which consists of a large number of solar cells connected in series. Consequently, we can get more electrical energy because of large number of solar cells connected in series. Earlier, solar cells were considered costly, but with the advancement of science and technology, cost of constructing solar cells has become quite less. As a result, solar panel cells are considered to be a good source of electricity. So this is a solar cell panel. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.